How to get subtitles for movies using VLC Media Player. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your file explorer and then right click on the movie, then go to open with and then open it with VLC Media Player. Now, what you will
How to
have
type
to do is go to this subtitle from the menu bar and then add a subtitle file. If you have a subtitle file, simply open it with it, or simply you can go to audio and see if there is a subtitle or captions with it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.